If you need to enter the camera, hit enter view. You'll see your pre-flight checklist. Make sure things like return to home altitude is set to the level that you need, as well as the max altitude. You can fly above 400 feet with this drone. And then click the X on the top right, gives you the live view. On the left hand side is above the map is a little MS. That would be your multispectral camera if you need to see that versus the visual. On the lower left is the map. If you touch that, it'll switch it between the map and the camera. In the top right are all the different settings for the camera settings. In the bottom right is the obstacle avoidance cameras. You can bring that up and switch through the different ones to see where the obstacles may be. If you need to do RTK, the three dots on the top right, and then go down to the satellite button and click on RTK positioning. Turn that on.
RTK positioning error.
And then
positioning accuracy affected.
The custom
fly
network
with caution.
or none. On the custom network, we would then need to use an interp address. In this case, we use a Emlet reach. I hope that helps.